Greetings and salutations, YouTube land. People back again with another unboxing video. Today I have one of my favorite things every month. The latest box of goodies from Pro Wrestling Crate. This baby starts at 30 bucks a month. There's some cheaper plans available, but who wants those? All the good stuff's in this box. A little extra if you could host your own Body Slam challenge, but here we go. I unfortunately do not remember who was in this month. There was a preview. I want to say Roddy Piper was in there. Maybe Bully Ray. Don't remember anybody else. So, it'll be a surprise. Alright, are you ready? Let's get ready for the unboxing. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I wish I could remember. Unfortunately, totally forgot to look it up before I started. But it doesn't matter. I'm sure it'll be good stuff. Let's see. Usually I get you get 2 t-shirts, a pin, a micro brawler, an autograph, and some other random thingies. Let's see. Spoiler card. Nice t-shirt on top. And it's really cool shirt. King Switch. I'll have to look it up. I don't recognize it. But man, I like that shirt. That is neat. Looks like a Rob Zombie shirt. Just like the highest credit I can give anything. Let's see. Get the pin. Usually there's some variants available, but I still have yet to figure out what they are, so... The pin is... And I'm all out of bubble gum. Roddy Piper's absolutely iconic line from They Live, which is apparently a line he wrote himself. Never knew that. Still haven't seen that movie. I need to. My buddy Kevin's like freaking out at me because I've never seen that, so I need to get on that, but nice pin. Let's see. Ow. I think this is the micro brawler. And it is Bully Ray. That's cool. I wish they would do that packaging that they did for the major figures, the toy podcast one they did. Those were such nice packaging. I'd like to see them use it again. That's really cool. Nice to get him. Was hoping he'd be the autograph, but wasn't expecting it. There's a DVD in here. Behind the Mask, Del the Patriot Wilkes. This should be cool. I'm actually a pretty big fan of his, so... Looks like it's a documentary. Trained with a fabulous moolah. Did not know that. Huh. That is a neat hit. I like that a lot, actually. I will be watching that one. We got some socks. Danhaussen Sockhausens. They've been doing a lot of socks lately. Fortunately, I don't wear them, but those are cool. I like Danhaussen a lot, so... I guess we'll do the other t-shirt. Ooh. It's a Medusa. Nice. Hey, they're killing it with the shirts this month, I must say. Those designs are directly up my alley. finally the autograph. And like I said, it'll be a surprise because I don't remember who's in this one. I gotta leave the cards like over here or something so I remember. Let's see, flip it upside down. I like there's something in it. It's nice thick paper this month. And it is... Mark Henry. Would have liked to have seen him sign more up here. It's not a good color choice, but it's a cool autograph. I think I already have one of him, but can't hold that against them. It's a pretty good name, so kudos to them for nabbing that one. So yeah, a very, very nice box this week. A legendary autograph. A DVD that I am going to watch the heck out of. Some interesting socks. Double check the card. Oh, King Switch Jay White. Wow, that one. I have no excuses on that. That one is just totally... Hey, yep, the DVD. Yeah, some chase variants on the micro brawler and the pin. Still no idea how to tell what the chase ones are. So, this month's charity is for medical costs for little Aya. Don't know who that is. Next month's crate is Gone But Not Forgotten. Interesting. Which will feature Eddie Guerrero, New Jack, Flying Brian Pillman, Bruiser Brody, The Road Warriors, Vader, Harley Race, a special item featuring China, Luna Vachon, Sherry Martel, and more, which is either going to be a t-shirt or like a DVD on pioneering women wrestlers. That sounds like a really, really stacked crate. New Jack is the only logical choice for the autograph out of there. As he died fairly recently. To the point they could have some stuff of him. Maybe Road Warrior Animal, but that's... I think it's too pricey for these. Yeah, anyone else in here, we're talking 50 to hundreds of dollars, so that is going to be a very, very interesting crate next month. And a very sad one as well. I'll have a link down below if you're interested in it. Get in soon. These things have been going really fast. They've been selling out. So make sure you lock in your subscription if you're interested. Can't believe I forgot Jay White. Ugh. Hey, if you enjoyed this, shoot me that thumbs up. Anything to say, any comments, give them to me down below. You know I love to hear from you guys. Ding that bell to be notified whenever my videos go live. Hit that subscribe button over here so you don't miss any videos. So always be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. And no swearing.